Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can mention any WhatsApp group in your WhatsApp status. So for that, just open your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone and go to update section where you add any status. Now in order to add any status and mention any group, just click on add status and just select a picture with which you want to mention anyone. That's why I will select any picture. Now here you can see the written is add a caption. Just click on add the red option. Now after clicking add the red, you can just search any group. That's why I will search this. So I will click on done, and here you can see one group is selected. So just click on send button and your WhatsApp status will be uploaded with this by mentioning this group on your WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching.